Transform your WordPress design workflow by seamlessly importing a theme template directly to your local development environment. First, ensure you have a local WordPress installation set up. We'll navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Then hover over Appearance in the left-hand menu and click on Themes. This is where all your installed themes reside. On the Themes page, you'll see a prominent button at the top labeled Add New. Click this to initiate the process of bringing in a new theme. You'll then see options to browse popular themes, but for importing your own template, we need to click the Upload Theme button. This is crucial for using a theme file you've acquired. Now you'll see a file uploader. You need the theme template file, usually in a zip format. If you don't have it, you'll need to download it from your theme provider. Simply drag and drop your theme's zip file into this area, or click Choose File to locate it on your computer. Once the file is uploaded, WordPress will prepare to install it. You'll see a button that says Install Now. Go ahead and click that. After installation is complete, you'll typically see an option to activate the theme. Click Activate to make this new theme live on your local WordPress site. And there you have it. Your theme is now imported and active on your local host. You can now freely test and customize it without any risk to your live site.